G'day and welcome to Barbie Mac's How To. Well, we all know what they say about quiche. But did you ever think you could cook one in your hooded Barbie? We're going to show you how to cook a scrumptious quiche with caramelised onions and fresh summer veggies using the Barbie Mac's Max Rack. The Aussie-made ultimate barbecue shelf system that maximises your cooking space, keeps your Barbie clean, helps you control the heat, use less gas and allows you to cook food outside that you previously had to cook inside. To start with, you'll need some chopped onion, garlic, butter, sliced carrots, sliced zucchini, some green and red capsicum, some sliced cherry tomatoes, 6 eggs, shredded cheese, a metal quiche pan, some spray oil, a puff pastry sheet, some pepper and salt, and half a cup of milk. A Barbie Mac's custom stainless steel tray on the grill is perfect to caramelise the onions and garlic in the butter on a high heat for about 5 minutes. These heavy-duty trays are super durable and easy to clean up along with the grill mats in your dishwasher. While the onions and garlic are caramelising, coat your quiche pan with the oil. Then lay the pastry sheet inside. Press it in firmly, then cut off the edges and use them to fill the gaps. This doesn't have to be particularly pretty. Add salt and pepper to the eggs, as well as the milk, then whisk to combine. Now it's time to put it together, starting with the caramelised mix. Cover the first layer with the zucchini slices. Then add the carrot, the red and green capsicum, the sliced cherry tomatoes, and the cheese. Now pour in the egg mixture. We're cooking indirectly by placing our Barbie Mac's Max Rack over the grill and using an empty tray to shield the heat and catch any drips. Place the quiche on the top shelf and close the lid, keeping the temperature to around 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While you're waiting, you can catch up on some other things that need doing around the house. Maybe not. Now that's more like it. We're adding a quick and easy salad using lettuce, chopped strawberries, dried cranberries and shredded coconut. Wow, look at that perfectly cooked mouth-watering quiche. Carefully remove the quiche from the pan and slice it up to serve. Awesome! For more great recipes and to buy a Max Rack or other great Barbie Max accessories, get on to barbiemax.com.